Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, meeting with me Fairulda from 12th grade Multimedia 3 and my friend.
Hello, my name is Asrul Prastio. Today we will show to you how to make processed potato based fries that ham cooking. Alright, first of all, let's prepare the ingredients.
Potatoes,
Wet flour,
cornstarch, sugar,
salt, 3 cloves of garlic, pepper to taste.
water to cook it.
Peel and slice potatoes into a bit long.
Cook water until hot.
Enter the onion that has been crushed right. Salt, sugar, and pepper scary.
Next, enter the potatoes.
Wet until the boiling and set aside for 3 minutes. Then leave and dry.
Enter the flour in the freezer for 20 minutes.
After that, make 3 tablespoons of wet flour with 1 tablespoon pound starch. Enter the potato into the dough.
Re-enter into the freezer and wait for at least 4 to 2 hours.
Then flip potatoes west using low heat flip to look golden.
So guys, that's how to make potato fries like home. Thank you for watching this simple video.
Hopefully useful, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.